Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in January of 2022. So as the year ends, guys, we're going to be looking here at the market. It is currently down over 3%, continuing that market drop that we saw, pretty much start at the beginning of the week. Obviously here we have Decentralized Social, which is our top gainer at 41% here on the day. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin as usual at 31.5 billion in volume. 16.6 billion here for Ethereum. Ethereum is down 4.5%, making an even bigger pullback compared to Bitcoin. And this could be a great buying opportunity for Ethereum holders, especially if we continue to go down lower. 3,500 area has always been a great opportunity. If it goes below that, that's even a better opportunity, and we would be very, surprised to see those prices right now. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's down 3%, trading around this 46,000 area. We could continue to go down lower as well. So most of these coins, we're going to be watching for bigger dips. We're going to be watching for more dip opportunities and then getting in, even though some of these are already down, pretty low significantly right now. So Solana's down 5%, Cardano down 7%. It seems like every altcoin is down about 5, 6, or 7% or so, with some green outliers here. Algorand's up over 5% or so. We have Near Protocol booming still. We talked about this one last week, still continuing to continue higher. Cosmos is up 1.6%. So there are some outliers in the market, which is obviously normal. If we actually take a quick look at the crypto bubbles, it's all over the place. We're seeing a little bit of green, but we're also seeing a lot of red. So there's a lot of red as well. So it's starting to turn around again. But we have some big winners here. Bonded Finance, which is up 111% or so. We have here Dusk Network up 49%. Phantom is up over 27% or so, and many other little winners right here, but also many losers here like Avalanche, which one is down about 17% here in the past 24 or actually past week or so. So definitely interesting to see what's going to be happening in the next few days and going into the next year, guys. So before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Going into the new year, I want to see 50 plus likes on this video. So go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently looking at to buy. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. We have seen a significant drop on this one since the all-time high area, over a 50% drop. If we take a look here in the past 24 hours, we're down about 7.7%, trading at $1.31. In the past week, we're down 1%. Past month, we're down 18%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 614%. So last December, we were trading at 18 cents. Hit highs here in March, consolidated, hit new highs here in May at around $2.30. Pulled back down with the market all the way to lows of about $1, and then skyrocketed on higher all the way up to over $3.10. Now from that $3.10 area, we've lost over 55 to 60% of those gains, like we said, in the past 2 or 3 months. So this one has definitely made a significant pullback, and as long as we don't go below $1, it should be okay. Hopefully that will be the support level around that $1 range, and we bounce off of it. If we go below $1, we could continue to have a falling knife type situation and continue to fall even lower. But it seems to be kind of like the support area we're going to be watching. But with this significant drop that we saw from over 100 billion market cap to only 45 billion market cap right now, this one has so much potential for the future to bounce back up. So right now, volume is down 22% lower than usual at 1.6 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 74 days. Our trading activity is 74% buy activity and 26% sell activity. Cardano has fell now to the number 5 spot. We obviously have, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and then Solana. Solana is right there. We've seen a lot of competition between Solana and Cardano in the past months, but now Solana is definitely, destroying it compared to where Cardano is at the point we are trading at right now. So Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and, stability. So Cardano, definitely a coin here that I see a lot of potential. If we just do a 100% profit on this one, it will be trading at around $2.60, which would still give us about 40 to 50 cents upside to get to the all-time high areas once again. So Cardano is definitely going to be a coin we're going to be watching very closely in 2022, especially if we continue to drop around that $1 range. It could be a great opportunity to buy the dip and continue to ride this one back on up in the future years to come. So Cardano coming in the number 1 spot. The number 2 spot on this list is going to be Avalanche AVAX. So this is one of the top losers here in the past 7 days or so. In the past 24 hours, we're down 9%, trading at $100. In the past week, we're down 15% from highs of over 125. On the 1-month chart, we're down 16%. and then on the 1-year chart, we're up 3,497%. So obviously we saw highs with Avalanche here at 134, pulled back down, came back up, and now we're having a pullback once again. So could be an opportunity if we can get back down to the range of about $80 once again. If we can bounce off of that area, we see a previous resistance areas become new support levels. So $75 to $80 should be a support level for this one to bounce off of. If it goes lower than that, could see mid 50s or maybe even lower potentially. But this coin was trading at $3 just a year ago. Just to take a look at that into perspective, now we're trading at over $100 per coin. So this one has made huge gains, over 3,000%, like we said, close to 3,500%. The market cap currently at 24.5 billion on this one. We were trading at close to 35 billion market cap at the highs. Volume is down about 20%, just like the previous coin Cardano. We have 75% buy activity on this one, 25% sell activity, and then 14-day typical hold time. As it climbs those rankings, it's still ranked number 8, even though with all these downsides that we've seen, it still managed to stay up there in the competition. So Avalanche describes itself as an open programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is capable or compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So one thing I do want to talk about, guys, in the crypto space, obviously, is when prices tend to fall, like this, many people start to freak out, even though they were buying at prices that were even higher than this. But because they see the coin start dropping or the stock start dropping, depending on what you're looking at, people start to panic, and they forget all those things that they were thinking before, all those positive thoughts they had when it was running up. They just start to lose those, and that's when the opportunity comes. When it's dropping, that's an opportunity to buy the dip, in my opinion. And same with crypto mining. Obviously, if you're mining crypto and crypto starts to fall back down, if you see GPUs start to fall in price, that is the perfect time to start buying those and start mining those coins, because once those coins come back up, you're going to be rolling in the dough. So definitely opportunities are always out there. When everybody is, in fear, you have to be greedy and get in, guys. That's in my, personal opinion, obviously, not financial advice, but that's just what I go by. So that's going to be our second coin. And then last but not least, number 3 is going to be Near Protocol. Obviously, we talked about this one last week, and it continues to boom. So this one here, up 15% in the past 24 hours, trading at $15.28. In the past week, we're actually up 28%. With highs of $16.36. In the past month, we're up 81%. And then on the 1-year chart, 1,164% from about $1.21, hitting highs here in March to about $7, pulled back down with the market to under $1.70 or so. And then from that $1.70 area, boom, continue to go up higher and higher, over 900% gains since the summer right there. So Near Protocol continues to go higher and higher. We have a 9 billion market cap currently on Near Protocol. Volume is up 57%, actually higher than usual at around 1.4 billion in volume. And obviously, like we said, the all-time high area is going to be around that $16 range that we saw just a few days ago here, around Christmas time. So Near Protocol, definitely another one that could continue to run. We're at a 9 billion market cap, so we still have plenty of room, potential, I guess, to get up there, as we have large cap coins trading at much, much higher market cap values than this coin right here. And this one has momentum behind it as well. We've seen these type of plays before in Solana. We've seen it in Avalanche and many other altcoins that we've looked at in the past. And that's exactly what Near Protocol is doing right now. In this, bearish type market that we're getting into with pullbacks, Near Protocol is still running. So that is definitely a positive sign. And if we can get a bullish run, this could run even harder. So it's definitely interesting. And I'm going to be watching this one very closely going into the next year to see how this momentum plays out. This could be an in and out type situation, not a long-term hold, in my opinion. So Near Protocol coming in at the number 3 spot on this list, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. So first of all, Solana trading at 170. Nice little pullback there as well. Dogecoin down about 4.5%. Shiba's down 6% or so. Doge is trading at 17 cents now. Back to those lows, guys. Continues to go just as we saw the momentum back up to 20 cents. Now we see that pullback come back down. If we continue to see this bearish type market, we could go under 15 cents once again and potentially even lower after that. So we're going to be watching Doge very closely. 22.4 billion market cap currently on that one. Bitcoin's down almost 3% here, trading at 46,000, hitting lows actually down here right under 46,000 at one point in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're down 4%. Past month, we're down 19%, but we've been literally trading in this range here for the past month or so, trading sideways. In the past year, Bitcoin is only up 61%, guys. As time, shrinks here, I mean, once we get to February, if Bitcoin's trading under 50,000, we're going to be in the negative actually on the 1-year chart. So if you would have bought in last February and held potentially until now, you're only up a few percent compared to some of these other altcoins that are booming hundreds of percent. So pretty insane to think about that. Market cap 883.5 billion. We have 32% of the crypto market space, 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity right now, and then typical hold time is going to be 77 days on this one, and it is ranked the #1 coin, obviously. So Ethereum, similar pattern, but a little bit more, volatile. This one's down about 4.5%, trading around 3,600. We saw lows under 3,600 at one point. In the past week, we're down 8%. Past month, down 18%. We actually hit the previous low here that we saw on December 3rd. We hit that low today once again and could potentially break through. So if we go under that level, under that, close to 3,500 level, it could continue to go down even lower, which could be a great opportunity because Ethereum in the long term is a great, large cap coin to be holding, in my opinion. I believe that eventually this coin could be trading at $10,000 per coin. So that could be a great opportunity to buy the dip. Anything close to $3,000 could be a great opportunity for the long term. 434.6 billion market cap right now, 16% of the crypto market space, 81% buy activity, 19% sell activity, and we have 69 typical hold time days. This could be an opportunity of a lifetime, guys. Bitcoin, I'm sure that one will come back up in the future as well, but Ethereum seems to be a better opportunity for me personally because I believe in Ethereum a lot, more for the long term, next 10, 15, 20 years compared to where Bitcoin is. And obviously, I personally think we'll have that flipping happen with Ethereum and Bitcoin switching spots and Ethereum becoming the #1 coin in the world. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into before investing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the new year. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.